Peace and blessings. Welcome to Dominus mentality. My brothers and sisters, it's important to have allies. It's important to have allies. There's power in numbers. Unity and community is very, very important. Unity and community is very, very important. We're going to get further by unifying. We're going to get further with unity. We're going to get further with being a community, being a society, being one with one accord, same goal, same mission, working together. This is how we will accomplish big things, greater things. So you want to have this mindset, though. Let's not make enemies. Let's not hate. Let's not move in a jealous spirit. Let's not move in the spirit of greed. Let's not move in that spirit of self-destruction. Let's eliminate the poverty mentality, the slavery mentality. But let's unify. Let's unify. It's going to take love to unify. It's going to take being, again, with one accord, same goals, being like-minded. It's going to cause us to grow. It's going to cause us to go further. Once again, also, let's be adaptable. Be adaptable, because change is a part of life. Things are changing, my brothers and sisters, constantly. Things are changing. So be adaptable. There's so many people that's stuck in their ways or stuck in the era. I believe that everybody think that their era was the best era. Those in the 60s that say the 60s was the best. Those in the 70s was the best. 80s was the best. 90s, and so on and so forth. And it's cool to admire and glorify your era and the time you grew up. It's all great. But also be aware that things is constantly changing. You want to be adaptable. You want to be able to continue to grow, continue to mature, be able to move in these times effectively, and being able to be productive in these times. A lot of people have that back in the day story of good times and great times and things they've done, and that's a beautiful thing. But right now, today, what are you doing? More importantly, what are we doing together, collectively, so that we can build? So once again, unity is important. Community is important. Let's have allies. Let's have friends. Let's be that family. Let's be with one accord. And again, let's be adaptable, because change is a part of life. Change your thinking, change your life, change your mentality, change your reality. And let's have a Dominus mentality. Peace and blessings.